Hello everybody, Jag here from Addictive Tips, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to install the LPlayer music app. So I'm doing this on Ubuntu because Ubuntu is the target operating system, but if you don't use Ubuntu, just check out the description. I have a list on how to build the source code and run it on pretty much anything. So to start off, you're going to need to grab this PPA here on Launchpad, and we have all the commands in the article, as I always say. But once you grab the command, go to Terminal, and just paste the command, enter your password, press OK, and let it go and update. And after that, just do sudo apt install LPlayer. It's going to build. Sorry, I shouldn't say build. It's going to get all of the files that it needs to install, and then we can go and launch LPlayer right here, and we can add our music. So LPlayer is a minimalist, application. It's not super complicated, but to add music, it works like any other thing. Just find some files, click open, and it's going to add these, and then you can click the play button and it's playing now, and the metadata shows up sometimes. I'm not really sure why it's not showing up for mine right now, but that is how LPlayer works. That's how to install it, and I hope you guys check it out because it is a really nice player, especially if you really don't want to deal with all the clunky, complicated ones and you just want something that'll play your MP3 files. This can do it in style, as I say. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video.